What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at SoFi was back on October 15th, so that was last week. And you can see that since then, price has dropped slightly, but now it has made a new 52-week high, I believe, today. So again, looks very bullish still, and you can see that price is working its way up to that measure move target that I had of 1320. So looks like it's still trying to push up higher. You can see that this was prior resistance at this 1015 level. There's resistance here, and if I zoom in, a little bit of resistance here. You see that, definitely there was some profit taking here and some short sellers trying to enter into a short. But they got stopped out because the bullish momentum was still very strong. So you see that there's this bullish trend line right here, and you can see that price is still pretty strong. It's still trying to push up higher. So we have multiple bullish trend lines in play. We have price continuing to break resistance. Looks like it's going to be probably going up to the $11, $12 level, and then probably eventually the 13.24 level that I mentioned before. So still looks pretty bullish. It's on its way up. We have earnings reports sometime end of this month, it looks like, before market open on the 29th. So there's a good chance that even if it's bearish or bullish, the earnings, there's a good chance that the technicals can override that news event and continue to drive it up. So still expecting higher prices for SoFi, basically. Short term, still looking pretty bullish. I like how it pushed through that resistance level, and it looks like it's still trying to push up higher. Eventually, it might come back to it. Either we come up short of the target and then we pull back and test it, or we reach the target and then we pull back and test that level. There's just a high probability price will come back to that 10-15 level in the future. It's not guaranteed, but there's a high probability of that occurring. So it's something to keep an eye on once you see a large sell-off. So we'll see what happens. But as of now, it looks pretty bullish in the short term, looking at the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. What do I see? You can see that price is getting at levels it has not seen in about a year. Looks very bullish. Looks like it's going to be taking out the 1178 level. And then you see that we also have multiple green weeks in a row. Looks like it's coming up to the 1324 and maybe even up until the $14 level. That's where this breakout point was, right about there. So looks very bullish for SoFi. Expecting higher prices. It's going to be stopping out the shorts. Bunch of stop losses above the swing highs right over here. There's more stop losses above here as well. So it looks like it's coming to take out the liquidity of the short sellers. So it looks very bullish for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. So all I have for SoFi on the daily and weekly charts, just going to keep it nice and short. It's bullish short term and medium and long term as of right now, going off the data that's presented. And most likely I'll give you guys an update next week. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.